This is actually one of our #1 sellers. It's an 8-piece dual-ended brush and dotting tool set, and it has dotting tools of different sizes on the other end. So I'm gonna show you guys how to use that, and let's just get right into it. You're gonna grab white polish, and you're just gonna create a huge glob of polish right here. Now you're gonna go here, and you're gonna apply 1 dot. So I noticed that going like that a couple of times helps, so that way I have a perfectly even circle. I don't recommend doing a small circular motion. It made it worse. And the reason it made it worse is because when you're doing that, if you're putting any sort of pressure, you're digging into the base polish and re-wetting that polish layer underneath. Also, don't be shy with using polish. If it has tacky polish on it, it's gonna make it more difficult for you to get those perfect circles when you're doing this technique. So there we go.